Welcome to this tutorial on how to book an appointment on Instagram. With the rise of social media, businesses are now using Instagram to offer booking services to their customers. In this guide, we will walk you through the steps to book an appointment on Instagram. First, you need to find the business you want to book an appointment with. You can do this by searching for their name in the search bar or by looking through your feed. Once you have found the business, go to their profile page. If the business has booking enabled, you will see a Book Now button on their profile page. Click on the Book Now button to start the booking process. You will be taken to a page where you can select the service you want to book. Choose the service you are interested in and click Next. You will then be asked to choose a date and time for your appointment. Select a date and time that works for you and click Next. You will then be asked to provide some basic information such as your name and contact details. Fill out the required fields and click Next. You may also be asked to pay a deposit or provide payment information. Follow the prompts to complete the payment process. Once you have completed the booking process, you will receive a confirmation message from the business. This message will include the details of your appointment, such as the date, time, and location. Make sure to review the details to ensure everything is correct. It is also a good idea to follow up with the business to confirm your appointment. You can do this by sending them a direct message or by giving them a call. This will help ensure that your appointment is confirmed and that you are all set for your scheduled time. In conclusion, booking an appointment on Instagram is a straightforward process. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can easily book an appointment with your favorite businesses. Remember to always review the details of your appointment and to follow up with the business to confirm. This will help ensure a smooth and successful booking experience.